Most eligible individuals receive their economic impact payment automatically. However, some eligible Americans with incomes that do not require them to file a tax return, including some Americans experiencing homelessness, will need to submit information to the IRS by November 21st to receive their payment. The IRS has a free and easy online tool to help you submit your information. It's called Non-Filers Enter Payment Info Here. You can find it by going to irs.gov/nonfiler-EIP. Only use this tool to submit basic information to claim an economic impact payment if you're a U.S. citizen or resident alien with a Social Security number that is valid for employment, and you don't typically file taxes because your adjusted gross income does not exceed $12,200 or $24,400 for married couples, and you're not claimed as a dependent of another taxpayer. However, if you are required to file a tax return, or should because you're entitled to a refund, do not use the non-filer online tool. File your tax return electronically. Using the non-filers tool is easy and only takes a few minutes. First, go to irs.gov/nonfiler-EIP, click the Enter Your Information link. It will take you to the tool where you can begin filling out the form. You will need to provide the full name, a current mailing address, birth date, and Social Security number of each person being claimed for the payment. Remember to include your spouse and qualifying children. You will also need the bank account and routing number where the payment should be deposited. Otherwise, your payment will be mailed to you. Follow the steps and complete the process online to get your payment as quickly as possible. After providing this information, you won't need to take any additional action. We will use this information to determine your eligibility and payment amount and send you an economic impact payment. Remember, if you are eligible and don't have a filing requirement, claim your economic impact payment by visiting irs.gov/nonfiler-EIP. Be on the lookout for scams that use the economic impact payments and other IRS relief efforts related to the coronavirus as cover to steal your information and money. The IRS has seen scammers trying to prey on vulnerable taxpayers who are unaware of how the payments will reach them. If you have questions, rely on the IRS for accurate information. Visit irs.gov/EIP FAQ for answers on frequently asked questions about the economic impact payments. Keep in mind that scammers are using emails, phone calls, text messages, websites, and social media sites to steal your money or personal information, so watch out for common tricks. First, the IRS will not email or call you to verify or ask for your financial information so that you can get a payment. Also, if someone demands money from you to get an economic impact payment, take it as a red flag. You don't need to make a payment to receive an economic impact payment in exchange. Don't fall for any of it. Note that in most cases, the IRS will issue the payments without you having to take any special steps. The IRS continues to work to protect you, and the IRS Criminal Investigation Division is prioritizing scams that exploit economic impact payments and the coronavirus. But we can't do it alone. You are still the main line of defense against scams. We realize there's a lot of misinformation out there, and we want you to stay safe, including when it comes to your tax security. So stay alert and stay informed. For the IRS updates on coronavirus relief, visit irs.gov/coronavirus.
If you have a phone, there's a good chance that someday you will be called by a phone scammer. Watch out for phone scammers pretending to be the IRS. In most cases, first contact from the Internal Revenue Service will come in the form of an official notice by mail. We will never call and demand that you pay right away using a specific payment method, such as credit or prepaid debit cards, gift cards, or wire transfers. If a caller threatens to arrest, sue, or deport you, that's not the IRS and is a clear sign the caller is trying to scam you. If you receive a suspicious IRS-related phone call, we have information about what to do at irs.gov/phishing. More than 90% of identity thieves and data breaches start with a phishing email. Phishing scams pose as a trusted company, maybe your bank, a favorite retailer, your tax software provider, or your state tax agency, even the IRS. Here's one way to recognize a scam. The phishing email tells an urgent story. For example, there's a problem with your account, or you have a tax refund pending. It instructs you to open a hyperlink in the email or download an attachment. The link may send you to a website that looks familiar, but your username and password goes to the thieves. That attachment may secretly download malicious software. Mobile phone users are especially prone to responding. If at home, just delete. If at work, follow your organization's IT guidance. Remember, don't take the bait. Learn more at irs.gov/taxes security together.
All employers should be alert to a dangerous Form W-2 email scam. It's a threat to tax data and to your workers. These emails appear to come from someone in authority. They may say something like, "I am analyzing some reports and need a copy of our W-2s for last year. Please send ASAP." Once the W-2s are in the cyber criminals' hands, they file fake tax returns for refunds. All employers are at risk and need to educate their employees. It's critical to report W-2 thefts to the IRS and to your state tax officials. Send an email to dataloss@irs.gov. In the subject line, type W-2 data loss. Then provide your contact information. Find your state's contact by emailing the Federation of Tax Administrators at statealert@taxadmin.org. Forward any W-2 and IRS-related scam emails to phishing@irs.gov. Finally, review your company policies for sharing employee W-2 data. Consider having 2 people review the request for W-2 data to see if it's legitimate before approving distribution. As part of that review, call or meet with the person or office requesting the data to verify they asked for it. Remember, it's always better to double-check it than regret it. Everyone can help protect against W-2 scams. For more information, go to irs.gov/identity theft and see the businesses section.